Welcome to Divorce Planners, where we are going to take you state by state and help you understand the self-help in your state to begin the process of getting your own divorce finalized. I have 20 years experience within the family court industry, so this channel will also be educating the American people on the dynamics of that industry. Now, clearly, if you are looking to file your own divorce, you do not want to hire a professional that profits off of the hardship of your family using laws and statutes and rules that are created by them down at your local bar association. So on this channel, we are not attorneys and we do not give legal advice. We are here to guide people in the self-help process that your state provides to you in order to get a divorce. So let's get right to it. Welcome to Iowa, where we're going to walk you through starting the process of DIY your own divorce. You always want to make sure you're going to the state website. You can also go to your county website. Make sure it is your county website. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to enter in here and we're going to see, how do I file a case, search court records. Okay, so file a case we might want. I'm just going to kind of check out some of the other information. You want to get yourself familiar with the website. All right, so we're going to go back up here and we're going to go, how do I file a case? Now, under the how do I, you have search court records, represent myself in court. I strongly suggest you probably read this if you're going to do this yourself. This is to find an actual form that you're looking for, but we're going to stick with file a case. Okay, it looks like they have e-file. I am not sure if e-file works in divorce, but it might. So you would look into registering their e-file instructions, court forms, court forms. What I'm looking for is mostly like a self-help or a divorce. So right down here, perfect. There's the folder with your divorce in it. Divorce with children, divorce with no children. We'll do divorce with children. So right here is, like I suggested, the guide to represent yourself. You're going to need to look at that. This is your petition form. Everything is in a PDF document. So you will be downloading it, opening the document, and there is your instructions. I strongly suggest you print the instructions and read it carefully as it asks you to do. And it looks like they do allow an electronic filing, so you would probably want to register to do it that way. That way you don't have to go into the courthouse and do everything down there. Okay. Here's more information on electronic and paper filing. You're going to want to read through this. You need to educate yourself. Anything that you want to do like this by yourself, you need to be educated. All right, so here we have the petition. It's telling you the documents that you need to start this action. And this one looks like it's going to be like they're going to be listing to you. Okay, here we go. How to begin the dissolution of marriage. And this is on page 7. This is where you really want to get into the step-by-step. And this tells you exactly your petition, a cover sheet, use only if filing, not for electronic filing. So this is, if you're going to file in person, you're going to need this. So it's giving you instructions here. The electronic filing, I've never done one. I've never walked anybody through that process. It's probably going to just bring up each document you need after you complete the first one, which is good because then your documents are complete, if that is how that is set up. Okay. And then it's giving you the instructions, filing your paperwork. This is telling you the actual paperwork that you need. This will serve as your checklist while you are doing this. And so you know what your forms are, so you're going to go back here and you're going to start, once you have your instructions printed, you're able to come back here and start clicking on your forms. Download the document, then you open it. Here is the form to petition. And again, they are referring you to what they expect of you if you're going to represent yourself in court. So you will need to read that. They're making it very clear on all of your documentation, which is good. It helps the court, it helps the judge, and it makes the process go smoother for everybody involved. So here you would do your county name. Here you would type in your current name and then your spouse's current legal name. Then you come down, let's see, at the bottom of the form. Once everything is complete, some states allow you to save and print from the bottom of the form. So this one does not. So you would want to save it. I would suggest creating a divorce file on your computer, saving it in there, and then that way you can look at those documents, make sure you have everything before you go to file. All right, so, and once they are complete in their entirety with nothing that needs to be corrected, you can print the document. You'll need one for you, one for the other half, and one, which is the originals, for the courts. So there's two ways of doing it. In Iowa, you can e-file, which is awesome, and I'd love to hear any updates from anybody that went through that process. Or you can do the physical forms and take them down and file them at your county courthouse. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and best of luck.